Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. This morning we are in Bottom New Hope in Trelawney and we are here to speak with a gentleman as it relates to the effects of Hurricane Melissa on his building and also on his livelihood. So please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's get into it right now. Hi, morning.
Morning, miss.
How you do?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, I am doing great, thank you. How are you doing?
Me not so good enough, but me good for me have life.
Yes.
You know, but Hurricane Melissa mash up your house top.
Hurricane Melissa?
Yeah. Mash
You style her?
Not really styling, but I have to adjust it by the name.
Yes.
So you do a little damage, so I say, show us in case anybody out there want to give us any help we can get. So can come this way.
Okay, okay.
Right here. So
Yes, Cathy. Me see you, man. Me see you.
Yes,
Come to you there, my boy.
yes, on this side as you can see, me get some help and some friend and so, and me get this side sort out. But can't do the money partner, so stay so good with me. So the next side not sort out yet, so me say me a big little help for anybody out there in the atmosphere where willing to help me. So me I show you, come inside.
Okay.
Well, they take off shoes. We can't take off shoes.
No, come inside, man, come inside. So this is where me stay. I'm a little camp, this is where me camp out. Me alone live here. Me no woman, no picking, single and everything. This is a part of my kitchen and little. So at this part, me want to sort out now that me can comfortable cook and do my little thing. So as you see, all the whole stuff gone when Melissa deal with it.
Oh.
Understand?
They give you a sky view.
Yeah, right. So when the rain tap fast, it come in and mess up the flooring board. So I have to get the top ready round there, so and put it round here, so as you can see.
I put the new one on there, so.
And get the new one put around there. So down here, so now when me beard and thing. You don't know if you can see view 2 years, so I want to go over. Use down there so for defecate beard and stuff forth. For you know, that's why things set in my country. Free time me. So I just ask any little help out there we can get. Over there and man, if you want me left one number on the channel in case somebody want to contact me. So my number is 304-7336. Thank you for coming and interview me.
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
Alright. So what you do for a living? What kind of work
farming,
you do?
and the ground them blow down.
The ground them blow down.
So right now, I don't know if it start from. I look at children they have towards the house top with the help and I can get put on the side there, but I don't more I know if it start with.
Yeah.
So I ask you look at help. Understand?
Okay. Okay. So is the same thing with food or you alright with food?
I'm alright with food.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm alright
Yes.
with food.
Alright.
Just want comfort.
Yeah, comfort. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright with food. Food and no problem.
Yeah.
But even yesterday the soldier them come around and they left me a bag of food.
Okay.
So food is not really a problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
So give me some water. What you get now?
You can run that. You're free.
I don't make
Yeah, each one.
I food free.
Free. So each one help one, not joke.
That's true. Same say go.
Yeah, man.
I see the flooring board. It's move.
Yeah, me I tell you say water mash up when rain fall.
Oh. So I hold up this now.
Some brace when me have on that.
Oh,
So
like
you
some
can't drop.
force.
Yeah, some good force. So you can't drop.
Okay.
But in case the flooring get damaged and like get better, I gotta just put some ply for the flooring board.
Okay. Yeah.
But really and truly, that's the top of my problem. I know still.
Okay, if you rain now, you.
Like when it rain inside here without the this, the whole like flooring wet up and everywhere wet up.
That's right now the flooring.
And they wrapping out the flooring board. You understand? But me alright so far, differently.
Yeah. Okay.
You survive, man. You survive.
Yeah. For even though the ground them gone, but we still alive, so we have to fight back and start back over.
Absolutely. That's his spirit. That's his spirit.
I mean, a godly man. Me believe in a God, you know.
You serve him, you know, just believe.
Me serve him now. And last night me there I pray, I say if God could have me find one nice good woman to help me out. And me we stick with her and thing. I tell her, me make up my mind.
You make up your mind to serve him?
to serve him willingly.
You have to give your life to him, you know.
I give my life to him already. Me just not fully gone in at the church thing. Me not gonna tell no lie. Me not gone in at the church completely. But to me, I struggle and anything there too. But otherwise, one that I give my life to God. For last night, I wake up after 1 and I pray. I say, Father God, if you could let me find one nice woman to help me out throughout my situation. Whether the situation done, or still I go and me and him see we stick to each other and do it.
So you want to build life with him?
Build right. Yeah.
Okay.
But otherwise, one that I just go and pray God will help me one day.
Yes, sir.
I believe, you know.
And you know, so one woman will call you though.
Hopefully.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully.
You get a call.
I believe.
Yeah.
Believe, man. So I'm there. I'm glad for you see when I come through and do the work. I'm very appreciative.
Yeah.
So big up to all out there who watch me on the live channel. And make sure you subscribe, share,
Yeah.
and all of that.
Yeah. All of that.
Thank you. We thank you. Yes.
And
I want to feel like a promotion.
right.
Alright guys, so you have heard, so Odian Hyman, and he stated his number. So if there is any way that you are able to help him, if it's 1 sheet of zinc or 2 or anything that you are able to afford to help with, do reach out. Alright, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
And thanks again out there.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, good.